So we place the board like that. Now, no matter how hard we push, it doesn't move. It's such a strong grip. Now we press start button. Robot automatically takes a photo and starts sanding. And now to the new features. We have this maintenance check. Now you can check what all has been done, and you can actually just double click and it'll reset and make sure that your robot is on top of the maintenance. We have help button. You press the help button, it'll open the menu here and you can just scroll through it and it will give you instructions, settings, workspace overview, and all those things right at the spot. We have this dashboard which gives all kind of analytics and information before sending and after sending, and you can scroll through it as well. And we have this dashboard page, average time taken per board, with all the details that you need. So that's all on the screen itself and on your desktop, accessible remotely. So this is the IoT. Just to change, and then you get to your home tab button. It's as simple as that. Our client also printed this. It comes with a manual sheet. All of this also in the printed format. Scan and send. Here's another one for the HMI. So there you go. Scan and send.